good start.
Welcome to DrumStyles.
Hello.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Corey. Nice to meet you.
We got a really cool video for you today. We decided to load my kit up into our car and go for a drive. Drums are an acoustic instrument, so the acoustics of the environment that it's in is going to affect its sound.
So we decided to take it into a number of different cool environments, both indoors and outdoors, and test how it sounds. We're gonna go some places. We're gonna be in the wild.
Wide open spaces. I don't know any other words in that song.
That's okay.
Stay tuned.
Drums are the most primitive old instrument known to man. It's literally just vibration from an instrument that goes into the air that we hear, and it was originated in you know, back when the caves were the condos, you know, back when one-bedrooms were affordable. Back when a man could feed a family of 5
With a deer.
When a man could feed a family of 5 with no income.
So today we decided to go for a car ride and play some drums in different places to show you how different it sounds in different places.
All of them were free because we can't afford anything.
Yeah, we can't afford a cave condo.
Yeah.
Check it out.